Hello students, this is Shanthan sir and we just start exercise number 8.5 on the previous day. So today we have to complete the exercise 8.5. So let's begin now. Here is the question number B. Look at the solid figure given here. Find their volumes. The measurement are in centimeter. So this figure are not properly cuboid or cube shape. So you have to divide this figure into some cuboid form or some cube form. So if I divide it from here, then this is a cuboid and this is another cuboid. So think that this is the figure 1 and this is the figure 2. So what is the length, breadth and height of figure 1? So length equal to, this is the length and the length is given 6. Breadth equal to, it's also given, breadth is 2. And height equal to 7. Now the volume of figure 1 is, what is the formula of cuboid shape volume? It's L into B into H. So length equal to 6 into B is equal to 2 into H equal to 7. So 7 to Z 14. 14 into 6 84. 84 cubic centimeter. Now we have to find the length, breadth and height of figure 2. So here is also length is 2 centimeter and breadth is also 2 centimeter. And height is 4 centimeter. So area, a volume of figure 2 will be similarly L into B into H, and it should be 2 into 2 into 4. That's mean 2 to the 4, 4 4 is 16 cubic centimeter. So total volume will be 84 plus 16, that's mean 100 cubic centimeter. Understood everyone? In similar way, just try to find the area of question number 2. Now try to solve question number C. Find the volume of cubes whose age are follows. So we have to find the volume and age is given. So what is the formula for cube? So finding volume, what is the formula? And the formula we know, it's side into side into side, volume of cube. Okay, now we have to use this formula, side into side into side, actually length into breadth into height, and all are same for cubic shape. Now try to solve question number 1. Here is given side is equal to 15. So volume will be 15 into 15 into 15. That now just multiply 15 15s are 2 to 5 into 15. Now, and if I multiply 225 with 15, then we will get 3375 cubic centimeter, and this is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now just try to solve next question, question number C. Here is given side is 20. So S equal to 20 centimeter, and we have to find the volume. So what is the volume of cube? It's 20 into 20 into 20. Now 20 20s are 400 and into 20, that's mean 8000 cubic centimeter. Understood everyone? Now let's try to solve next question. Question number E. Here is the given side equal to 15.1 and we have to find volume of cube. So it will be 15.1 into 15.1 into 15.1. Now you have to multiply both, then we will get 3442.951 cubic centimeter. Now just try to solve question number F. Here is the given question and given site equal to 2.7 meter. So you have to find volume. What is the formula of volume? And it's 2.7 into 2.7 into 2.7. Now multiply them and we will get 19.683 cubic meter. Understood everyone? Now just try to solve question number G. Here is the given site 30 centimeter. We have to find for volume. So volume equal to, we know already, 30 into 30 into 30. That's mean 3 3s are 9. 900 into 30. That's mean 27000 cubic centimeter. Now just try to solve all problem at your home. Now try to solve question number 2. Here is the given question. Find the volume of cuboid with the following dimension. So here length, breadth and height all are given. So you have to simply using the formula for finding volume of cuboid. So just try to solve question number A of 2. Here is the given length equal to 24 centimeter. So write here 24 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 12 centimeter. Now simply just multiply. So volume equal to length into breadth into height. So 24 into 10 into 12. So simply multiply, we will get 288 into 10. That's mean 2880 cubic centimeter. Understood everyone? Now just try to solve next question. Now try to solve question number C. Here is given L is equal to 2.5 centimeter, B is equal to 1.5 centimeter and H is equal to 2 centimeter. So what is the volume? Volume will be 2.5 into 1.5 into 2. That's mean 7.5 cubic centimeter. Okay. Now try to solve question number D. Here given length equal to 2.8 centimeter, breadth equal to 1.7 centimeter and height equal to 2 centimeter. So volume will be 2.8 into 1.7 into 2. Now if we multiply both, then we will get 17.28 centimeter. Cubic centimeter, sorry. This is a volume, so unit of volume always cubic. So it's a cubic centimeter and this is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now just try to solve all the question at your home. Okay? Thank you.